back to Beauty Break. Unfortunately, Jocelyn's out of town. She's in New
Bah,
York.
humbug.
But Megan's here and thrilled. I know you all are too. Be very nice in the comments. We don't like it when you're mean.
Okay, we know they're gonna comment mean things. You don't have to address it. We just ignore it.
Anyway, today we're going to try what's taking the internet by storm. Lip art, which
we started this.
we did kind of start it. You pretty much started it. Insert clip. Maybe you'll be better now. That was a while ago.
Yeah, I feel like I've been really flexing my art muscles.
Yeah. I thought you were just going to say flexing a lot. I was like, I don't think that
Flexing my
helps,
little
but-
biceps on my fingers.
These are the selections. These are...
I have 4 pictures in my hand.
We were rooting for you!
We were all rooting for you! We were all rooting for you! How dare you! This one looks a little simple for me.
Also, like...
Like, I just feel like I'm gonna aim higher.
We have Beyonce from Beachella because she took over Coachella. I saw it. It was great.
It's really simple. I don't know. I just feel like I don't know. I know I can do.
I'm mostly even this like the fact you can even make this look like a
Yeah.
person is so far ahead of what we would be able to do. Now we have a little more of an abstract, but still a nice replica. This feels a little dated. Like Mean Girls is like,
Whoa. I'm sorry. That is a classic.
when did Mean Girls come out? I agree, but like
What are you gonna do
Wasn't
now?
it
What are you
10
gonna
years old
make?
now?
Like a Jumanji lip?
also like what do you have to write it backwards?
Whoa, yeah.
Letters
X-ray
are
that.
gonna get hard. So maybe we that's too hard. Too
easy.
Too easy. Way
Too
too hard.
hard.
Okay, we only have 3 options left, and these all look much more on our level. I want to try this.
Kylie.
I literally was like, where?
Is that a stormy lip? Well, I did my own research. So I'm gonna pick one from my my archives.
Oh.
So I'm gonna either do, I could do flowers or,
I like the fruits. No,
do you want to do a fruit?
No, you do the
Do you
fruit.
wanna do
You
the
do the
fruit?
fruit.
You can do
I'll
the
do
fruit.
Kylie.
You can do a fruit. Do a fruit.
No.
Do a fruit.
do
I
a
can do
fruit.
lips. I mean,
Just begin.
they're all lips.
We have a lot of supplies. You'll notice they're a little mismatched and weird colors because these are just kind of like what we're around the office. I'm not good at putting on normal lip stuff.
Do we have
so I'm-
white? No, but like that I could mix it with to make it lighter. I'll do that. I'll mix the nude.
So I think I start with a normal color and then put the black on top. That seems right? Okay.
I don't know. You tell me.
I feel like I should do something Kylie because that just seems, this is Kim, so that feels wrong.
I need this to be lighter.
You're like actually mixing stuff.
Oh.
I don't understand. But why
Okay,
you're
well now
good.
this is peach, so I'm making a grapefruit instead of an orange. We're not very prepared for this.
I know, I'm gonna go get a different lip gloss for
What? Why don't you use this color? Oh, you,
Don't mind
because
my
it's,
socks.
wow, God, the closer I get, the more I'm like, you should have powdered your face. It's okay, don't comment it, or comment it.
Where's this one? We got some more supplies too. What's your technique gonna be?
I'm gonna start with the white and I'm going to outline where the white is in this. And I think I'll probably end up going back with like a paintbrush and the white lip
Very
thing.
difficult.
But
Good luck. I'm just gonna start with the bottom lip totally covered. And again, I'm not good at doing this anyway, so this is gonna be interesting. It's already all in my mouth.
So many nose hairs.
Oh God. I think my teeth are stained pink.
Just don't open your mouth that wide.
No, people aren't going out like this, right? Like this is more of just like an artistic expression, like how the beauty gurus like will do a makeup look, take pictures, and then take it off. Like
Yeah, I think so.
it just seems like a lot of work to like. Isn't it sad to take it off at the
You
end?
know what I also
Like,
think? I think there's a lot of Photoshop.
Well,
Like in those like the ones that are like chrome. And I'm like, so you mean to tell me you took gasoline and you like draped it on your lips to look like that? Like there's no substance that you can put on your mouth that looks like it.
I haven't even done anything yet, and it's a disaster. What am I doing?
There's nothing more
Brush.
attractive than me looking at how crusty my lips are and knowing that somebody's filming my crusty lips and everyone's just looking at my crusty lips.
I feel the exact same.
It's like
way.
the
And
exact
I have
opposite
lipstick
of
on my teeth. I
satisfying.
have like a Barbie. Like literally, I'm like a. Have you seen the lady that drives around LA in the pink Corvette?
Oh my God, I've met her.
That's who I feel like right
What's
now.
her name? Come on, guys, she's on the
I
billboard.
know. Like, literally everyone in the room is like. I know
I literally met her.
She has like merch
asked
that
me,
she sells
said,
out of the back of her
do you
car.
want a picture with me?
Yeah,
It's
and then
$25.
yeah,
Blonde,
Hollywood
blonde
pink
woman.
Corvette.
Do the billboard.
What billboard?
No. Say billboard.
She's old. She's like
super
probably
hot.
she's probably
Angeline.
Guys, Google Angeline pink Corvette LA. It'll come up. She's an icon. We should have her on the show. No. See, the thing is with my peach fuzz, if you even get it slightly on any of it, then now it looks like I have like whiskers. Our lips are way too dry to be doing this.
My lips are so dry. Every time I move them, I can just feel them cracking and starting to bleed.
Also, I can guarantee you my teeth are more yellow. For a while, I couldn't take pictures next to Jocelyn after the teeth whitening episode.
Tea or not tea? That is the question.
Do you remember when someone else is like doing your makeup and you're like, I don't know how to help you with my mouth? Did you fuck up? Of course you did. Let me see. Let me see. Show me. Show me. Don't be ashamed.
I wanna go home.
Guys, I think my lips are gonna start bleeding. Do you see that? I'm gonna cry. Oh god.
Where did I want to clarify that this is not my idea.
I just want to tell you that the thought that just went through my head, Nicole, please zoom in on the thought that just went through my head was, how do I make orange? No, why is it pink?
Why aren't you just using the orange?
Because
Like, you
I
have
have
two
to
different
do
kinds
the
of orange.
rind. Is it still called a rind? Of the citrus? I have to do the white part of the citrus.
Okay, this is the most progress I've made thus far, so I can't mess it up. I don't need eyelets to touch because then they'll mix. We don't want that.
I need you to stop laughing because it's not supportive. Okay, I'm gonna do the sprinkles.
What sprinkles?
There was one that had sprinkles. I'll screenshot it. I'll send it to you.
My lip is quivering.
Why am I not just putting this on? Who wore this before?
Oh my gosh, what if Jocelyn had to do this? Her lips are so small.
We're including that.
Nicole,
include that.
Jill just goes, oh my god, what if Jocelyn had to do this? Her lips are so small. But it was genuine
Like
concern.
fear.
You know when we used to talk about how I have really shaky hands?
Yeah.
I felt like I got better for a while. Now I'm not so sure.
And they shouldn't be the same length, but then it got too... You see my lip quivering, but I'm trying to like...
Oh. There's like a lot of drool. Are you done, Lily? Can you finish?
You can't rush perfection.
You can't rush mediocrity. Oh, that looks good. I can't do that sound. The hey.
Well, that one's really long. I feel like had I left like a little more of the pink, like it could have been so much worse.
Inspiration.
Thank you. Sorry, I choked. I said shot straight to my throat.
Go into the comments below. Let us know who won.
I'm okay if you win because I had a really good time.
Me too. For being as delirious as we are, this is actually very entertaining to film. Please subscribe because we're bringing you quality content like this every day. And for all the people that saying, and for all the people out there that say we don't try,
Yeah, dude, people still say that about me.
we really did try really hard, and that's what's sad.
Yes.
Anyway, the
Yeah.
episode's over.
You're not trying. You're online all day.
Don't just mess it up.
Keep subscribing though.
Bye. I like almost want to leave it though because like it's covering all my sins. That's coming out of my nose. Literally, what? I don't understand. Literally, it looks like drool. That was snot.
Click left to watch us recreate Taco Bell's crunch wrap, or click right to watch Lily get microbladed.